Well, I'm expecting this Transcom GBX4000 to perform magnificently. Works fine on the bench, and I'm hoping Mr. Chippie will be out there. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Do you copy?
Tango 21, receiving you loud and clear.
Excellent. So today I'm on the Transcom GBX4000.
Roger bleep, is that permanent?
Roger, the Roger bleep is permanent, Roger.
Roger. Right, we're just coming up to the end of the lane now.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane. So it's a radio that uses the Cybernet 002F chassis, and it's a bit more than basic, isn't it? It's of course very similar to the Mustang CB2000. If you remember, Mustang did some very garish, chromy 1960s American looking sets, the 1000, 2000 and 3000, and in fact I've got a 3000 chassis which is scrapped down here.
Right, just passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station. And it's, you know, I hate to see such a good quality set being smashed up. I bought it at Radio Rally for £2, so there you go. So it's got public address and PA. It turns out monitor is channel 9 on a volume, squelch, tone and RF gain, and in a sensible order. Rotary channel set, nice green display. What more could you ask for? So it doesn't have any ridiculous...
Wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads. So yeah, it doesn't have any stupid bells and whistles apart from the Roger bleep, which you can't turn off. So there we are. So it's pretty sensitive, and it's doing about 3.7 watts, I think.
Well, I've never seen a Royal Air Force road sweeper before. That must be for doing the runways.
Well, we've got so many air bases around here, but today we're not getting interference from the radar because this radio is somewhat better than yesterday's Lucas ACB 888.
Right, just going over the top of the hill as we descend into Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, going round Scratchy Corner up Wilsford.
Roger, got you pretty loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner.
Roger. Right, just going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, going over Rossby level crossing.
Got you over Rossby level crossing, and that concludes the test, thank you. I'm also aware you're going shopping, so I'll see you back here later. Okay then. Right, well that does exactly what you think. I mean, he's now just about at the Holdringham roundabout, so he's 6 miles away, and it's the kind of set which you could just know is going to work. You know, it performed as it should do on the bench, and you know it's going to do so in the field, and it did. And we haven't got that. If I turn the squelch down, there's no rhythmic ticking from a radar station 4 miles up the road like there was on that dreadful Lucas set we did yesterday. So we'll just go over to our base station and see how that sounds, and how that possibly annoying Roger bleep sounds too.
Tango 21, testing the customer's Transcom GBX4000 with the factory original mic into our Harrier CBHQ base station. I'm just going to try it for interesting comparison with a new mic. 21, testing the Transcom GBX4000 with a new mic into our Harrier base station. Thank you for watching.